Hey guys, welcome back. So it is confirmed that Apple will announce the Plus variant of iPhone 9. The idea of an iPhone 9 Plus was always an option, but we haven't seen much supporting evidence of it until few days ago. 9 to 5 Mac found within the code of the upcoming iOS 14 operating system evidence of both the iPhone 9 and a larger version of it with a 5.5 inches display. It could be called iPhone 9 Plus, which totally makes sense. The code also confirmed the use of Apple's A13 Bionic chip. Solid state home button, that means the home button has no moving parts as it uses the Taptic engine to simulate clicks and reduce hardware failures. It will have the same power button and volume rockers, basically the same form factor overall. The changes could be found in the internals. Inside they are gonna be including Apple A13 chip as used in the iPhone 11 range as well as 3GB of RAM. Also, the Plus model is set to come with stereo sound video recording. Both the iPhone 9 and iPhone 9 Plus will offer Touch ID instead of Face ID. Users will be able to use Apple Pay and the Express Transit features, which is not available on some older iPhones. The new models will also be able to scan NFC tags in the background, something that is only possible with the iPhone XR, iPhone XS and the iPhone 11, and not in iPhone 8 or iPhone 10. It is safer to assume that the iPhone 9 Plus will come with better specifications such as enhanced camera and battery. As traditionally noticed in the Plus variants of the iPhone lineup, all this simply indicates that Apple through this series will be looking forward to shifting old iPhone users to the new ones. Also, if you are interested in Android, then the Pixel 4a, Google's next mid-range phone, will be one of the best phones you can get. With Google's own camera processing and security, it will be going against the iPhone 9 no matter what, and there has been rumors that Google will skip making an XL variant of the 4a. So now you have option to choose either Pixel 4a or iPhone 9. Earlier, Apple analyst Ming Chi Kuo had highlighted that the new iPhone 9 or iPhone SE, I'm not talking about the Plus variant here, the iPhone 9 will come with either 64GB or 128GB of internal storage, with the price tag starting at $399, roughly 29,000 Indian rupees. When the rumored smartphone comes to India, it might be relatively more expensive and can cost somewhere around rupees 35,000. According to tech analyst John, mass production for the iPhone 9 has begun. Apple is also working with BYD in China to move production faster for its new iPhone. There is no confirmation on this report, but it does confirm that Apple is still on track to launch the iPhone 9. There has been reports suggesting the iPhone SE2 launch has been moved from Q1 to Q2. Nevertheless, we still expect to see an iPhone SE2 or iPhone in the coming months. So that's it about the iPhone 9 Plus. Hope it was helpful, and if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.